Leaving Incheon,
Heading north
we reach Xiahu Lake.
as a local from Ningxia. This is my first time bird watching here. At this moment, I have one question. Why do these migratory birds choose this desert lake?
Boating is the best way to see them. Into the reeds we go. Thousands of birds take flight, painting arcs across the sky. My guide says Xiahu is on a major migration path. Millions rest here every spring.
This is our bird observer from the meet.
Hello, nice to meet you. The observer tells me they've worked for years,
Restoring lakes and wetlands.
dredging and cleaning, planting aquatic flora to create habitats.
Thanks to recent restorations. Chartered by Wake Hamburg, now reach 216, across 53 families. Better environment. Of this effort, we cleaner water, the birds made their choice. We return the wetlands to nature, and the habitat to the birds.
I am building a handmade bird nest. It's harder than it looks. Following the staff, I adjust and reinforce it. It's more than just a small nest. It's an invitation for these guests to rest and settle in. We often call nature souls of all. But for these birds, it's a living reality with water, fish, and reeds, and a safe environment. They don't need to overthink. No need to calculate costs. They just feel the gentle wind and the clean water, sensing if it's unsafe to stay. Then they just arrive. Bird counts and stay times grow yearly. Some even stop migrating and stay permanently. Eco-restoration isn't decided by humans. It's a vote cast by wings.